Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I finally get to show you one of my favorite designs from this set, the home sign. There's definitely more than one way to achieve a wood grain technique on a cookie. What I did here is I colored my icing a medium brown color, and my icing is about 15-second consistency. Then once I had my brown icing, I added 1 to 2 more drops of the brown color, and I just barely stirred that into the icing, just enough to make it really streaky. Once you have your streaky icing, add that to your piping bag, and once you pipe out onto your cookie, you'll get that really cool wood grain effect. Also, to add just a little more character to the wood grain, I did a few little circles to give it kind of that knobby look. After the base layer dried, I went in with my projector to add the letters onto the cookie, and then I'm using piping consistency icing to do kind of the outline and the straight lines on the H, and then I'm using about 20 to 25 second icing to fill in the areas. And now for my favorite part that brings this entire cookie together, adding the wreath. So all of the icing used here is piping consistency, and I just drew a circle as my guide and then went in and did leaves all the way around the outside and the inside of that circle. And then I went back in and added some berries for a final touch. I absolutely love how this cookie turned out. It honestly is probably one of my favorite cookies that I've ever made. I was just really happy with how it all came together. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I have one more video coming out before Thanksgiving, so keep an eye out for that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.